This is the 2019 Forest River Salem. It's the 27 RKS, the rear kitchen floor plan. You've got an electric tongue jack, electric stabilizers, battery cutoff, wired for solar charging, electric awning, outside speakers. You've got the More Ride stable entry step. Big living space in this one. Couch, sofa bed, dinette bed, door recliners. It's solid surface counters, no press board or sawdust board. Big refrigerator. Some decent storage. Entertainment center with a sound bar, electric fireplace furnace. It's got the queen bed, storage around the bed, storage under the bed. This one's got a bedroom closet. So really a good amount of storage. It's also got 110 and USB ports on both sides of the bed. Good sized bathroom, big shower, lots of leg room, good storage here in the bathroom also. It's clean and we guarantee everything works. Comes with a 66-day warranty from Camperland. Call me anytime. Eric Deshane, 918-504-7727. Thank you.